In today's video, we are going to be diving into the very highly requested, very popular subject of Instagram Reels or short form content to create specifically for real estate agents. And we're going to be talking about 5 different content buckets that you can pull from to both entertain and educate your ideal clients. And no, you don't have to sing or dance, but sometimes I like to. Hello friends, it's Laressa. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a place on the internet where I help fellow real estate agents like yourself level up your real estate game with Canva and the Wolfpack here at eXp Realty. So let's talk about Instagram Reels. Short form content, whether that be Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, are dominating social media platforms. And really, short form content is a great way to stay top of mind and to create content that doesn't have to be overly professional, overly put together, can be very casual, but still give value to your clients and your audiences. So let's talk about 5 content buckets to pull from specifically for real estate agents that myself and the members of the Wolfpack have been using and have been also giving us great success and leverage. So let's talk about bucket number 1, real estate glossary or real estate terminology, Q&A style. So this is very easy content to create, especially for us real estate agents, because we're dealing with real estate all the time, 24/7. So when you think about working with a client, they're not normally selling or buying homes every single day. So this is very easy content to educate your ideal clients. So this can be topics such as, what is the home buying process? What is the home selling process? What is a property inspection? What to avoid when buying a home? What to avoid when selling a home? What is a condition? How do you write a strong offer? Things of that sort that your clients would want to know when they are going to buy or sell their home. So again, very easy content to put together. Bucket number 2, property tours. People love seeing beautiful homes, specifically beautiful homes with very unique highlights. So if you have a listing, it's very easy, to whip out your phone and just take 5 to 6 panning shots, left to right, right to left, up and down, forward, backwards, and just get multiple shots of the home highlighting certain areas, whether they be the exterior or the interior, and then just easily putting that together in a timeline, 15-30 seconds, doesn't have to be long. Put a trending song right over top, and there you go, boom, you have a beautiful, awesome, amazing Instagram real estate reel that you can share with your audience. Number 3, this one is a bit of a unique one, but it is, what X price gets you in X city? So this one has been a very unique topic that I've seen a lot of the Wolfpack members use, and this is great for agents who are in a relocation market, or you have new construction, new builds, and people who are looking to move into those new areas or moving to that area are genuinely curious as to exactly what they would get for a certain price point. So these are really fun to make as well. Number 4, city and community tours. So this is a great way to attract ideal clients, set the stage for them, and get them familiar as to what to expect if they decide to move into this specific neighborhood, area, or city. So this can be simple things like, what is the weather like in X city? 5 things you need to know before moving to X city. 5 things to avoid when you move to X city. The cost of living in X city. The amenities of X city. The best schools in X city. So things that are going to, again, prep your ideal client for when they move here and what to be aware of, because generally this is what they're going to be Googling in Google or even searching on YouTube. And number 5, business highlights and local attractions. So this is a great bucket to collaborate with other businesses, cross-promote each other on the platforms, and it's a great way just to kind of put yourself out there and let people know that you exist, right, in terms of the collaboration aspect of this. So the ideas that you can think of for these types of reels would be the 5 best local coffee shops or tea shops, the best restaurants in X neighborhood or city, hidden places of X city that you wouldn't know of. You can also do local attractions, so you can do nice cinematic footage reels of local attractions that you have, or destinations or landmarks, or even hiking trails. I do this a lot for my Instagram Reels. It's a great way to really highlight the beauty of the place that you are moving to or that you're living in. So I hope you give these 5 different content buckets a try. Do let me know how it goes. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other Instagram reel related videos right over here. And until next time, I will see you all next time. Bye, friends.